Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for stopping by. I'm back with another design. If this is something you genuinely interested on, definitely be sure to hit that subscription button down this video so that you can also be part of my sewing squad. In today's video, this is the turban that I'm going to sew. You don't need to use sewing machine when sewing this design. I'm going to be using my hand and needle. Now guys, let's get started. This is the fabric that I have available, so yeah, I'm just gonna use it. And another thing, I don't really like the color, but the tutorial must go on. I'm going to cut this fabric on fold and start measuring the head circumference. After that guys, I'm going ahead and fold it like this and mark the vertical line. After that guys, I'm going ahead and mark the sharp curve. I'm going to link the video for pattern drafting on my description box so that you guys can go and check it out. After that, I'm going ahead and cut off my fabric. The next step is to cut the bow tie. Now guys, I'm done with the cutting. I'm going ahead and start sewing the running stitch around this turban head wrap. And before that, I always confirm the measurement. Using my hand needle and thread, I'm just going to sew the permanent gather stitch all the way until to the next point. I'm going to run this gather stitch using my hand needle and thread, just like this. If you find this video useful, definitely be sure to hit that subscription button down this video and turn on notification bell so that you don't miss any of my content. We're done with the gather stitch. I'm just going ahead and combine the two edges. After that, guys, I'm going to use my sewing machine to just sew the bow. After sewing, guys, I realized that I did not leave the opening to turn this bow inside out. I decided to cut it at the middle so that it can able to flip it inside out. I'm going to press the corner using my finger so that it sits perfectly well at the edge. Now guys, my bow is ready. I'm just going to sew this small fabric. The good thing is to just fold it like this. Then I'm going to attach it to my main turban body just like this and sew it down using my hand needle and thread. I'm going to attach this here. You can decide to use your sewing machine, but for the purpose of this video I just wanted to use the hand needle. Next step, guys, is to take this to the inside and hide this opening. I'm just going to continue and hide the opening using my hand needle and thread.
And guys, the color of the fabric is not making any show, but yeah, this was the only fabric that I had, so yeah, I'm really sorry for that.
Guys, I'm doing this from the inside of the turban head wrap to hide that opening. On the outside, you do not hide this part because you are going to insert your bow through that opening. So I'm just doing this to hide every opening on the inside. Now guys, I'm done closing the opening from inside this turban head wrap. I'm going ahead and work with my bow. This is the opening that you are going to insert your bow. After that, guys, I'm just going ahead and prepare my bow. I'm going to do the little bit of wave and using my finger and prepare for inserting it on my main turban body. Using my hand needle and thread, I'm just going to gather this wave using my hand needle and thread. I'm going to just gather them to make the formation of this bow. Now guys, my bow is ready. I'm just going to put it through on the loop. Now guys, my turban is ready. I'm really happy with the outcome, and I'm going to put on my mannequin head. You guys can see the product, the final product that I just did. If you decided to sew your own turban, make sure that you tag me on social media. I will provide my social media platform on this screen so that you can tag me. I really want to see your work. If you guys find this video useful, definitely be sure to give it a thumbs up and share to somebody you think will find this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.